Hi there, welcome to SmatBot. Let's see how to integrate Freshdesk using SmatBot.
Choose the bot you want to integrate with Freshdesk from the dashboard and select Triggers. Select Freshdesk from CRMs. Now, connect your Freshdesk account. Sign to your Freshdesk account with the registered domain name and proceed to Freshdesk Dashboard. Now, enter the Freshdesk domain name. To get the API key, click on Profile Settings. Copy the API key and paste it in the API key section and click on Continue. You have successfully connected to your Freshdesk account. Click Continue to select the action based on your requirement. Create new contact or new ticket. SmatBot will now import all the fields related to that action to continue the setup process. To assign values to Freshdesk tickets or contacts, fill in the fields with bot questions, static texts, or data compositions. Questions allow you to fill CRM fields using SmatBot responses. With static text, you can set a default preset value for a field in your CRM. You can assign multiple questions, static fields, or a combination of both to a single CRM field and data compositions. Once your setup is complete, give a name to your integration and click on Save. Choose the condition that triggers the integration and pushes data to your CRM. You can test the integration or click on Finish to complete the setup. Wonderful! You have successfully learned to integrate Freshdesk.